Safe, clean drinking water. We use it every day in so many ways. There for us with the flip of a tap or cycling of a sprinkler system. But in some areas of the world, this basic element of survival is scarce, and easy access to safely managed water services is not a given. Around 785 million people around the world lack basic drinking water services. That's 1 out of 10 people worldwide. At Weathermatic, water conservation is at the heart of our business. We're a world leader in creating smart water technology to save our most precious natural resource. And we're taking it a step further. It's our mission to save lives by inspiring our partners to help us bring clean drinking water to those who need it most. We call it Save Water, Give Life. It's a simple commitment. For every controller our partners install, we use a percentage of the cells to bring clean drinking water to one person throughout their entire lifetime. 1 for 1. One installation, a huge difference in one person's life. Through the support of Weathermatic partners, this program has already changed the lives of tens of thousands of people in places like Guatemala, Nicaragua, Honduras, Sierra Leone, Uganda, and many others. When landscape professionals and property owners are inspired to choose Weathermatic, not only are they saving money and water in their own communities, they're actually sharing the savings to give life throughout the world. But we need your help. We invite you to join us and save water. Give life by installing Weathermatic technology, donating to the Weathermatic Foundation, and even traveling with us as we give the gift of clean water resources to these communities in need. Learn more at weathermatic.com.